Hello and welcome back. Now we are almost done of the class. We'll see what improvement did we do in our kitchen, or at least in my kitchen, to ensure that I'm saving the time and I'm saving the 8 waste actually. So our brother Timud here is happy and he's enjoying the time. In my kitchen, I have completed the arrangement of the kitchen items. As I told you, I pack some stuff and keep together. I moved the cabinet, not the cabinet, the content of the cabinet from a far place to a nearby place to make my movement less and make the transportation less as well. I control the material inventory. As I told you, I don't have more than 30 tea bags in my cabinet, so I drink one per day. And in case I need more, it's no problem. When I come from work, I can go and pick it from the market. No, not a big deal. And also packing the material for single serving. As I told you, I pack the 2 bars of sugar with 1 tea bag and spoon and wrap it together. So it's only taking 1 item instead of taking 3 different or 4 different items. I also reduced the amount of water to heat. Before I used to fill the water boiler around 1 liter, which is the maximum value. But now I fill only quarter of a liter, which is 250 milliliter at least, something like this. And I pour the water in my cup, which is only 200 milliliters. So I save the time of heating and I save the time of everything else. Reduce the heating time, as I told you, because when you reduce the water, it will heat faster, so it will be easier for us to finalize the process as soon as we can. Then I make some standardization and visualization for measurement. As I told you, I set a small line over my teacup that this is the maximum level of water, and I use that 2 bars of sugar inside, so it will give me the best quality I can take and avoid the defects and avoid the skills wasting and so on. Even if I ask my wife or my daughter to bring my tea for me, they can do it easily, no problem. So this is a quick example of what I have done in my kitchen, and I wish really to know what can you do for your kitchen to improve. I will be more than happy to consult you, and if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below, and I can communicate with you in personal if you would like, no problem, and I can help you in that. And also you can apply all these modifications regarding the 8 waste, regarding the KPIs, Pareto chart, and so on, what we have learned in this class, in anywhere in the world, even in your work. And here's just a notice for you, that lean management actually is applying for manufacturing. I've been working in this field maybe 5 years now, and yes, it makes the difference. Maybe you will not notice too much in the kitchen, but the kitchen was the best example I can give you, so it will be the easiest example to show all the ways, the KPIs application, the Pareto chart, instead of going through a difficult or complicated manufacturing stuff, which will not benefit for everyone. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions again, please ask in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to reply on you as soon as possible. So for further learning, stay tuned.